welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time here, please subscribe. Welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, I truly appreciate you. Well, in today's video, we're going to be folding a bandana like Axl Rose, and I want to ask just to get right into it, okay? And so what you need is a bandana like this one. Well, hoping that you already have it, let's do this. Oh, what? Yeah, this is how mine looks. If you're just wondering what's up, which one is that she's holding? What? But this is how mine looks. It has the outside and the inside part of it all. Have somewhere to place it or just give your luck onto the air. We are going to be doing this in two ways today. Not really, but let's just get into it and you will discover from there. So with your bandana like this and forming a star from top to bottom, it is like this, having this shape. So you form this kind of, you drop that side with the one side that you're holding. You see, it's forming like a star. That's why you need a surface. You need somewhere to place it. A flat one, not a place with bumps like this. You just need somewhere straight to place it. So like that, and then from the top, fold it down almost to the center. Top down, top down. Here where I come from, we have the bottom up, something like that. But it is right now we're talking about top down, the opposite. Fold it like that, and make sure while folding it you don't use the opposite side, because we have the opposite side and this side. If you do not know to differentiate, the inside side, the opposite, is the one that once it has been folded we have some folding. I don't know if it can be seen clearly, but yeah. And the right side is this one. It's like just wearing a cloth the other way around. So having folded it like this, we need to make another fold from there. Fold it twice, like that. You see what we are having? I hope you're seeing what we are having right there. And then pick this side from bottom and then place it on top like that. So we have our piece right there, looking like this, all good, all nice. From this other side, like that. So we also have another way in which you can actually fold this. Yeah, I was joking when I said maybe we're going to do it twice or not, but anyways, yeah, let me just show you. So we have like two times. The other one, we are going to fold it all the way to the bottom. So once we form our star like this, you fold it all the way down, like that, all the way down. So you form something like this. I will say this always looks like a snack to me, something that you call samosas in my place. Ooh, you bake them and then you cook them. I don't know, you guys, do you have samosas from wherever you're watching me? Or are the ones you call pie? Wait, let's get back to a topic. When you start talking about food, anyways, like that, it is forming like this. And then after having that shape, fold again a second time. You can see the difference. You can see the difference. And so you can also fold from this other side like this, because now right now we don't have like the inside and the outside side. And so after folding, let take a small space, this one. But then you can also do that. I just did it, I didn't mention. We have folded like this, but you can also place it the opposite way, like this, and then drop this thing down like that. So what we have is this. I feel like I've gone very fast right there. So with it like this, let me show you. Do it again. Now hold it up. Now hold it upside down like this, and then drop it like that. Yes, I know you got me. So with this huge size this way, it's time to place it on our heads. If you have hair, this time you don't have to have your hair all the way back. Just place it on the sides. If you have lots of it, that's even an advantage because you'll look exactly like the way we want today. So fold it, place it on your head like this, like that. No, like that. From side to side, that's how we look. And now you see this thing up here looks funny, right? So you do like this, you place it, you just touch it, it will lie down like that. So from this side and from this side, just fold it, make a knot that is like that. So you can also make 2 knots at the back to ensure it is not coming out, but also depends with how you have tightened it. And then we don't want like these things to be like protruding from here and from this other side. Like that. So we're not yet done. You have to like this part. Okay, sorry, I'm going. You can fold it a little bit to show some hair. And then I told you, if you have lots of hair, you can, mine is at the back, so just make the hair to drop from side to side. I feel like my nose is not that tight. Let me try that tight again. Please guys, as we continue, like this video, talk to me in the comment section, and you can always share this video out, and yeah, make sure that you subscribe for more content, more amazing content. Yeah, I'm still trying to make sure the moment I fold these ones, they're not being seen that much. Having folded it like that, the next thing that we need is some shades, sunglasses. I don't know what you call them from wherever you're watching. So this one is the sunglasses. You can tell me in the comment section. Do you also call them sunglasses, shades? In my native language, you call them Bandana for eyes. Yeah, if it comes to direct translation. So we need them, so like this, and then we place them right there in the hair like that. I hope you saw that. I am not forcing it to reach to the ears. It's not a must, just that it can be held by the bandana. It can also be held by your hair. So push it in and then right there. You see? Oh, by ensuring that you're not messing up your hair or the bandana the way we have tied it. Also, this thing needs to like come a little bit very close to the eyebrows, almost. Yeah. And you see my whatever sabins, you can always stack them from the back. So that is how it looks from this side, and always from the front. So at times you can actually feel as if it is too small. Just pull it up. Just pull it up. Yeah, just pull it up like that to the sides. The way you feel is right, but that's just how to cover in your hair. Okay? Yeah. And these are just cute ways in which you can fold your bandana. I know you look amazing. I hope it has been easy for you. So make sure you like this video, you share it out, subscribe, tell a friend, and thank you so much for watching this far.